Hello everybody, my name is Eddie with Uniform Bright, a uniform rental consultant and uniform rental expert in the uniform rental industry. Today we're talking about the drivers, the uniform rental drivers. Now, your uniform rental driver is the key to everything. You could have the greatest company with the greatest reviews, but if you have the worst driver, then your service is going to be a nightmare. And you could be with the worst company, but have the best driver, and you're not even going to feel it. You're not even going to know that there's any problems going on at that company. And so your driver is key to success. That has to, if you don't have a good driver, then you're probably wondering why. I mean, some people I know they're getting a new driver every week, and that's a big problem. So generally, your good drivers are old school. They're older people. They have been in the industry a long time. They know how everything works. They know all the procedures. They got it down pat. They know how to run their route efficiently. They know all the plant people, and so they know how to get what they want done quicker. And so that is key, guys. He's worth gold. Your uniform rental driver is worth gold. And you should take care of him and protect him as if that were the case. Because if you get the wrong person, it just changes everything. And since you're stuck in these unconscionable contracts, then it might not be good of you to get a new driver. Now, in some cases, if you're getting a bad driver, if you have a bad driver, you might, and he's rude, you might want to complain about him. And then if you complain about him, maybe they'll give you a new driver. But just remember that it doesn't necessarily guarantee that you're going to get somebody better. But your uniform rental driver is key to having a successful operation. Matter of fact, on some occasions, I actually have worked on both sides. I used to be, when I left the industry for a short period, I had my own business and I hired a uniform rental company. In my uniform rental driver, I actually, I took care of him. I fed him. I gave him extra things. Now, I know you're sitting there saying, if you're a restaurant, man, why do I have to give them free food? I mean, they're supposed to give me great service. Yeah, you're right. I'm in there with you. You shouldn't have to give them anything. Do the job that I hired you for, even though I give you nothing extra. But here's the key. Do you want extra, do you want to be serviced properly? When everybody else is being shorted aprons and on the truck, and he has to make a decision on, man, do I save these aprons for this customer or that customer? Well, that one customer who's giving him free food, I guarantee you, he's going to get the aprons, not the other people. He wants to take care of you. So, look, you don't have to do it, okay? I don't think in a perfect world you should have to do it. But if you're stuck in these long-term contracts and there's nothing you can do about it, and you've had bad service before and you've tried everything, try that, and I guarantee you, you're going to see some help there, and you're going to see it work. Matter of fact, I've seen in some cases where contracts that were negotiated had a certain weasel clause in there that if this uniform rental driver would leave the company or left or went somewhere else, that the contract would be null and void. This was somebody who had been in the industry for a long, long time. He had been with all kinds of different companies, and he knew that your uniform rental driver was key to success. So make sure, guys, if you're having problems with your uniform rental company, any company at all in North America, work in Mexico, Canada, and the United States. I'm the only one that does what I do. I can help you with any one of those problems. So don't forget to like and subscribe and send this video to your friends if they're having some problems. Give me a call. Go ahead and send me a copy of the invoice, the contract, and then give me a call. My first call is always free. I want to help you out as much as I can. And I only charge for people that never hire me. I charge you a Google review based upon the advice that I've given you if it helped you at all. So, guys, we'll see you on the next video, okay? Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.